Hi guys, I'm back in the warehouse, which means I'm here to take you along on a quick tour of what's available on the site right now. Alright, so first up I have these 6-inch Monsteras. They're coming in with some new leaves that are split, but if you're familiar with Monsteras, you know that the baby leaves aren't necessarily all going to be split. So once you take these guys home and get them in a nice spot, they will start producing even more of these split leaves. I also have some of these Calathea Makoyana. After I run through all of the Calatheas that I have, I'll explain how to take care of them. But this is a really cool variety with some awesome variegation on the leaves. Also got in these Calathea Lancifolia, also known as Calathea Rattlesnake, with some very dark undersides of the leaves. And some Calathea Fusion White. They have white and almost purpley variegation along with the green on these. These are adorable. These ones are in little 4-inch pots. Also these huge Calathea Medallions. These new leaves that come up are so cool, and these leaves are almost as big as my hand, so definitely grab some of these if you're in the market for a beautiful foliage plant. Also in the similar family is this Maranta green prayer plant, also known as rabbit tracks. Some of these are actually blooming. And I also have some of the classic red Marantas. All of these Calatheas and Marantas are pet friendly, and to take care of them, they need medium to bright light, so close to a window, and I'd water these guys weekly. They also benefit from a bit more humidity if you have it. So if you have a nice window in a bathroom, these Marantas and Calatheas would love it there. Also new in this week are the string of pearls in these 4-inch pots. Some of them are just getting done blooming, which is super exciting. These can almost be treated like succulents, so give them some brighter light and water them every other week. I also got in a great batch of 4-inch Hoyas with some beautiful variegation, mostly green with white, but then some of these leaves are coming in a bit more pink and getting some great height on them as well. And here are some of the Pothos pearls in jade. These little 4-inch guys will have nice long vines after a while, but these are some great starter plants. Water them weekly and they can tolerate a bit lower light if you have to. To add into the Alocasia collection, here is a 6-inch Polly with the more crinkled edges, and these are the new leaves. Whenever they come out, they unfurl from that wonderful purple underside that all of these have. I also have more of the 4-inch Alocasia Pollys if you're looking for something a little bit smaller. And I have more of the 6-inch Alocasia Ebony as well. If you're looking for some super easy plants, I highly recommend these Sansevieria Laurentii. They tolerate low light and low water, so if you forget to water these, that's fantastic. They only need water about once every 2, maybe even 3 weeks. Another great low light, low maintenance option are these 4-inch Zizi Plants. Another great plant if you are a beginner. If you're looking for some more vining plants, I have these 4-inch Philodendron Cordatum, also known as heartleaf philodendron. These need water weekly and take low to medium light. If you're looking for a similar plant but just a bit more color on the leaves, I do have these 6-inch Philodendron Brasil that take the same care and will produce the same long vines. A favorite has been these Peperomia Greens. I love these guys. They take a bit brighter light and I would water them every week. These are just super easy to care for. I love these. You'll also see these great Pothos Jade if you want another vining plant that's easy to care for. Just water these guys weekly and they can take a bit lower light. And then last step, I'm going to show you guys these Dracena lemon limes that have beautiful, these are like tried and true classic house plants that they can take medium light and water them weekly. In these Aglaonema Marias with the Fantastic variegation on the leaves, which takes similar care to the Dracenas. Alright guys, that's it for the new stock on the site. If you are interested in purchasing any of these plants, they are available at pericoplantco.com. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.